Ayan na, go. Hey! Hey! Angas mo naman.
Oh, ha? Kuya Reg, kaway ka naman, Kuya Reg. Hey! Hey, sige po, daan po muna kayo. Hey guys, dito na kami sa debut ni Frankie, guys. We came prepared. Here's the invitation list. Table 1. Oy, kuya. Hello. Ayun na, guys. This is the event of tonight. Ayan.
Ayun sila, nakita ko na. Okay. Hey! Hey! Ayun sila, nakita ko na. Hi!
Magayon naman kayo sa vlog.
Vlog, hi vlog.
Oh my!
Mas mami and daddy.
Wait lang.
Sheesh. Hello.
Hi vlog.
Like the fit.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Wala ikaw.
Bango mo?
Shh, kumaingay. Para sa atin lang to.
Tara.
Can we ano na? Let's go, Lods.
Uy!
Kuya Reg, thank you ah.
Thank you, kuya.
Ito po. Ang mga nabunot for today's. Ayan. Ay, napakaganda naman po ni Mama Son.
Hey! Payat oh, grabe oh. Ganda na. Pakipakita ko yung ano, ganda.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa event na. The place is called La Mariposa here in Tagaytay City. And medyo late nag-start yung event kasi there are still some guests na hindi pa nag-a-arrive. So that's why it's waiting game. Medyo mainit, so napatanggal ako ng 2 botones pa. And mamaya stay tuned kasi meron kaming performance, kakanta si Kim. Paano sample?
Na.
Galing. Ano pa lang yun guys? Vocal warm-up niya pa lang yun.
Okay. Bye.
One more. Naligaw! Sige pre, may kape ako.
Diba? Ako si Vicorio. Kala mo walang
Talikuran kayo na lang. Pang! Spice Girls! Bakit?
I don't know why, but you stay on my mind. You walking like a quiet breeze, messing with my heartbeat. Don't even try, you just exist, and that's enough for me. You smile like you don't know what it does to me, and I pretend I'm fine, but I'm not really. I try to look away, but I keep looking.
Itong gift ko, magagamit mo siya lalo na kapag nag-artista ka na, pag pinayagan ka na soon, nila Mama Son and Papa Koy. I'll support you all the way. Happy birthday!
What's the gift?